Happy New Year, everybody. Here are our 7-week-old puppers. These are Issy's group. Rambunctious. They've been sharing their pen with their brothers, half-brothers. This is two of the pups have gone to their new families. We have 2 left, so we just share. As you can see, they're happy little guys. Back where you can see them all together. You can see how much smaller Vinny is, maybe. So let's say hello. See how we have Monty. Say hi, Monty. Say, I'm going to see you in just a few days. Only a few more days. He's a handsome little guy. And then we have Benny over here. And he's going to go see his family in a few days too. Get down in here to him. Hi, Benny. I had him focused for a second. Let's see. Canada wants to say hi. He's going to Canada. So we don't have any toys in just yet because we just cleaned the pen. We wanted you to see the fellas. So, let's see. Vinny. Another one going to Canada. And then we have Monty. Lost him. There he is. So these are our fellas. So big. Get a drink. Judy's getting cranky. She wants out of the pen. She said, I want out. I want to play. Juju. Rambunctious boys. What's the matter, Monty? You don't like your collar? Hi, Vinny. Hi, Vinny. Hi, Vinny. He says, pick me up, please. Pick me up, please. Goodness, boys. Say hi. Hi. You're so handsome. Monty just got another collar on because he shook his off again, so he's got to get reused to it. So those are the boys. They will be seeing everyone very soon. We got another shot next week to do. And it's almost time. So you want to come in and say goodbye again? Monty. Say goodbye, Monty. Say goodbye. goodbye. Hi, buddy. You're gonna get to go see your new families very soon. Tell them bye. We will see you in pictures next week in our litter picture. We'll see you soon.